Hello friend, I am Anjali. This is my YouTube channel and I made this channel for my learning purpose, and I had already told you about my previous video. If you are my subscriber, that you know, I had already told you in my previous video I made even one video every day, and I would post on the YouTube. And I don't want to become from the famous from the YouTube, because I know everyone cannot be a famous from YouTube. But yeah, I just made because these days I'm watching a lot of video about the English, because now I'm learning English. So that's why I watched thousands of videos. And one of the video on YouTuber says, like, if you wanted to become a fluent in speaker in English, then you need to make one YouTube channel, and you would be a post one video every day. So that's why I made this channel, because my consultancy, and also I can track my fluency, where like I will be increase my English, then I can track my English, like where I improve or not. So that's why I made this channel. And also I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. So this is me, and I'm from Lucknow, and my name is Sajmi. I'm basically from Lucknow. And also I have already learned the language before 3 years ago, one of the institute. But now, lack of the practice, I'm not able to properly able to communicate with the people. So that's why I made this channel, and like continue talk with the peoples and improve my communication skill. So that's why. And if you anyone's a beginner here, they can learn with me, because I'm also in the learning journey. So this is all about me. And also, if I talk about the education, don't hesitate about the talking about front of the people, because I know I have also faced the same thing. Like, if we can talk front of the people, we like our mind is frozen, we cannot say anything. And we thought about, like, if the person in front of us, if we say anything wrong, so what they think about us. So it happened with me, because I'm also go through from this journey. And if this is the happened, because of that, in India country has a one of the misconception. People think about, if the person can able to speak English, so he is must be from a very educated person, very intelligent person. That cannot be happen, friends. If the person can able to speak English, they has a skill. If maybe they hasn't surrounding, because of that. And it can happen, like, he has a did work on their own self, so that's why he can able to speak English. That's not make a sense. If the person can able to speak English, they must be educated from English medium school, they must be a very intelligent person. It cannot be happen. This is the only language. If we talk, we can think about, like, in the India country has many of language, we can say, like Marathi, Bhojpuri, lot of the languages, right? So as like the language, we can see this as like the language. So we did not find anything, and we can say, we can speak properly in front of the anyone's. So this is my today's video. This is my second video. I hope you would be like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.